let me show you how to create a reverse video effect in Capcut. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive straight in. Import the video clip you want to reverse by clicking Import in the media library, then dragging it onto the timeline. To create the reverse effect, select the video clip in the timeline, right-click on it and hover your mouse over the Edit option on the menu, and a new window will appear. There you'll find the reverse effect. Click on it and wait for it to finish processing your video. Once the reverse process is complete, play the clip in the timeline to preview the effect. The video will now run in reverse, creating a dynamic and captivating effect. If you want to combine the reverse effect with other edits, such as trimming the clip or adding music, you can do so now. To trim the reversed clip, use the split tool, which on your keyboard is Ctrl-B, to cut the sections you don't need. Drag the edges of the clip to adjust its length directly on the timeline. For extra creativity, you can pair the reverse effect with transitions or visual effects. Open the effects library and choose options like glitch or film to amplify the impact of the reverse effect. Drag and drop the chosen effect onto the clip in the timeline. Then fine-tune the intensity in the properties panel. Finally, we want to add background music or potentially sound effects that complement the reversed audio. For instance, a dramatic sound effect or a rewinding tone can emphasize the reversed motion. Drag your audio file onto the timeline, adjust its placement, and balance the volume in the audio settings. Once your reverse effect is polished and ready, click Export at the top right. Choose your desired resolution and format and click Export again to save your video. And just like that, you've created an awesome reverse effect in Capcut. I hope this tutorial has helped. Thanks for watching.